viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about cell. Then let's start the video. First of all, we will know about what is cell. Cell, a structural and functional unit of life. All organisms composed of cells. So cell is basic structure of organism. Then tissue. When tissue is composed of group of cells, and organ composed of group of tissue, organ system group of organ, and organism group of organ system. In this way, whole organism form. Then cell are two types: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Next, coming to the cell theory, here some scientists are present who said that the unified cell theory states that all living cells are composed of one or more cells. The cell is the basic unit of life, and new cells are arise from existing cells. Here said that from pre-existing cells, new cells arise. Then Cytoskeleton and Swan said all cellular organisms made up of cell. Then Rudolf Virchow stated omnicellular is cellular, that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Dead cell discovered by Robert Hooke from the bark of oak, and living cells by A.B. Leeuwenhoek. This is the cell theory of various scientists. Then coming to the prokaryotic cell, here you observe very carefully prokaryotic cell structure. Here this is the prokaryotic cell, and this is nucleus region. You can see here nucleus is, this is not called nucleus, this is called nucleoid, and here no envelope are present. These are present in the cytoplasm, and then this hair like structure is called pili, and black small beads like structure is called beads, and yellow structure is called food granule, and here this is flagellum through which prokaryotic cell can move. Then here green oval structure is called plasmid or DNA. Here present genetic material. Then this is cytoplasm, and here structure of cell wall. This is capsule or slime layer, and then middle is cell wall, and the inner layer is called plasma membrane. This is the basic structure of prokaryotic cell. You can observe very well. Then coming to the prokaryotic cell structure. Features of prokaryotic cell: lack of cell membrane and membrane bound cell organelles. They are unicellular or multiply rapidly, that means from 1 to 2. Then here in this way they can divide. Size is 0.2 to 10 micrometer. Bacteria are found everywhere: water, soil, rock, etc. Here some shape of bacteria. Circular bacteria is called cocci, and rod shaped is it called bacilli, and this structure is called vibrio, and spiral structure is called spirillum. Here cytoplasm of nucleate or DNA, cell envelope, protective covering of cell consisted of capsule, cell wall and plasma membrane. Then inclusion body, freely existing bodies that store reserve materials and storing found gas storing vacuoles found in cytobacteria, cyanobacteria and other photosynthetic bacteria. Ribosome proteins are made up very protein made here from mRNA. 70S ribosome and 30S to 50S subunits divided occur in group called polysome. Chromatophore membrane extensions in cyanobacteria contain photosynthetic pigments inside. Then primary short bristle-like structures found in both gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. 8 bacteria are attached to surface. Here you can see the structure of prokaryotic cell, then cytoplasm, mesosome, flagella and nucleate. Coming to the next slide. Here you can observe very clearly eukaryotic cell. This is plant cell and this is animal cell. You can pause the video and can see this picture. Coming to the next slide. Here you can see very clearly the structure of plant cell and animal cell. Here this is animal cell. Cytoskeleton. First of all, cytoskeleton, which is this is cytoskeleton. Then centrosome. This structure is centrosome. Centrosome are microtubule organizing center. Then intermediate filament. Intermediate filament is rod-like structure. In this is fibrous proteins that hold organelles in place. Then microfilament green thread-like structure is called microfilament. Fibrous proteins form cellular cortex. Then outer cover is called plasma membrane, and the pink small round shaped structure is called lysosome. This function is digesting food. Then this is Golgi body, Golgi apparatus. What is its function? Modifies proteins. Then the matrix structure is called cytoplasm. Then this is mitochondria, which produce energy. Then vacuoles, and this is rough endoplasmic reticulum which associated with a blue round shaped structure is called ribosome. When endoplasmic reticulum is associated with This ribosome is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. But when absent, this ribosome is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then this is peroxisome, which metabolize waste materials. Then the central deep violet structure is called nucleolus, which contains region where ribosomes are formed. Then chromatin, DNA, pilus associated proteins, and nuclear envelope. This outer layer of nucleus is called nuclear envelope membrane enclosing the nucleus. Protein line pores allow material to move in and out. Then coming to the plant cell. This is a plant cell. You can see here sky blue round shaped structure is called endoplasmic reticulum. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When endoplasmic reticulum having no ribosome, then it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But when ribosomes are present in endoplasmic reticulum, then it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then here nucleus is present, contains chromatin and a nucleolus as in animal cell. Then ribosome, bead-like structure is called ribosome. Here this bead-like structure is called ribosome. Then Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, peroxisome, plastid, which store pigment, and then chloroplast. Chloroplast is green structure where photosynthesis occur. Then rod-shaped structure is called cytoskeleton, microtubules, intermediate filament, microfilaments. This is central vacuoles. This present only in plant cells, not in animal cells. Central vacuole filled with cell sap that maintains pressure against cell wall. Then it is called cytoplasm. Cell is called plasma membrane. Then outer layer of cell, which is called cell wall, which maintain cell shape. This is only present in plant cell, not in animal cells. Then here when two plant cells are connected by channels or which called plasmodesmata. Next, coming to the next slide. Now I will discuss about difference between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cells. Definition first of all. Eukaryotic cell. What is eukaryotic cells? Any cells that contain a clearly defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. And prokaryotic cells, any unicellular organism that does not contain a membrane-bound nucleus or organelles. Example of eukaryotic cells: animals, plant, fungi, and protist cells. And prokaryotic cells example are bacteria and archaea. Then nucleus present in membrane bound, and in prokaryotic cells this is called nucleoid region. Here membrane bound absent, membrane is absent. Then cell size is large, 10 to 100 micrometer, and in prokaryotic, in case of prokaryotic, it is less than micrometer to 5 micrometers. Then DNA replication, highly regulated with selective origins and sequences replicates entire genome at once. Organism type usually multicellular, usually unicellular, chromosome more than one, and in prokaryotic, one long single loop of DNA and plasmids are present. Ribosome in eukaryotic cells large, and in prokaryotic case, ribosomes are small. Growth rate or generation time in case of eukaryotic cell is slower, and in case of prokaryotic faster. Organelles present in eukaryotic cells, and in prokaryotic cells organelles are absent. Ability to store hereditary information. All eukaryotic have this ability. All prokaryotes have this ability. All prokaryotes have this ability. Cell wall. Cell wall is simple, present in plants and fungi, but in case of prokaryotic, present in all prokaryotes. But in eukaryotes, advanced structure like animal cells do not have any cell wall. Plasma membrane present in eukaryotic cells, and in prokaryotic cells also present. Plasma membrane, cytoplasm also present in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. This is the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Next, I will discuss about plasma membrane and structure. So this is the last slide, and I am ending my video here. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel to and click the bell icon to get new notification. Thank you.